Greetings, world dwellers and all the others. I'm the Wizard, and I'm happy that I could bring you a part of my dream, and many of you shared it with me. Some even supported. So today we release TrinketOS Chapter II, our biggest and boldest update yet. This version fixes many bugs, thanks to everyone who reported issues on GitHub and elsewhere. You can now copy large files, set 4K wallpapers and more. A major improvement is in scrolling and selection. It remembers your choices, works more smoothly, and supports one-stick or D-pad navigation across both pages. But Chapter 2 isn't just fixes. It's full of new, exciting ways to make Trinket truly yours. You can now set custom animated wallpapers, recolor icons, and use your own images on big icons pages. You can create and name your own colors and apply them anywhere. You can also draw your own icons in the glyph editor and assign them to anything: tabs, apps, even your avatar. We also added two brand new page types. First is task list, where you can write short tasks, pick icons for them, and even mark them half done. Second is web page, where you can show any internet page you want. And something many of you requested: Retroid integration. It's simple. Pick any playlist from your Retroid folder, and it appears as a big icons page. You can also add Retroid games individually. Just remember, you need to open at least one game from the playlist in Retroid itself once, so it knows which emulator to use. TrinketOS is now accessible to even more devices, including vertical screens, like phones. We've added a special one-page mode. You can switch between pages using this icon, the D-pad, or even map it to any button. It also looks great on smaller, squarish screens. You'll find new settings in the design menu, asymmetry and UI scale, making everything more readable and balanced. We also now support Android versions down to 6. There are many other small additions like keyboard support or custom mouse pointers. I'll let you discover them yourselves. After all, it's not just a launcher, it's a simulation of an old forgotten terminal discovered by you. So even if you discover some bugs or quirks, it's also part of the story. You might have noticed I call this a chapter. That's because TrinketOS isn't just an app. It's an app, a game, and a story at the same time. So each release is a new chapter in the story you are a part of and can also read. This chapter is called The Impossible Beacon. You can read the story via the link in the description or right in TrinketOS in Journal section. Audio version will be available later this week. Please read the chapter if you want to solve the new puzzle. And yes, there is a new puzzle. It's not called a beacon for nothing. You'll find the beacon in the interface itself. You'll receive a mysterious message that starts a chain of riddles. But first, make sure you've unlocked dev mode and set your username. It won't start otherwise. By the way, since many of you couldn't find dev mode, I've now put it right at the bottom of the system settings. So, read the chapter, unlock dev mode, set your username, and watch for the first message. TrinketOS Chapter 2 is available now for free on GitHub and itch. Links are in the description. Or press the button Update in the system menu. Oh, and Old Wizard almost forgot. One more thing. Do you remember when I tapped something strange on the keyboard? TAPPS. That wasn't random. Introducing Trinket apps, or tabs. Tabs are applications for TrinketOS. They can be tiny list item scripts, full page apps, or even custom tabs. You can even run a full game build like we did with our first tab, Zodiac Mania. It has achievements, by the way. There is a full developer API on GitHub, with support for saving data, system icons, user colors, menus, even making sprites speak. So developers, we can't wait to see what you create. and the best of you, chosen by the likes of and votes of the community, will receive a gift from the wizard. And of course, I'll sign it myself. Oh, I'm the wizard after all. Welcome to the Chapter 2, a new step for TrinketOS and a new era for the world. Like, subscribe, and if you can, support us on Ko-fi. Because the stars have aligned.